ready for a festival! Yeah!
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the things that I have made from the kits that I showed previously. I will link that video below if you've not seen it. And these are the kits that have been sent to me by Jewellery Maker. For those of you who don't know, I am one of the guest designers on Jewellery Maker on the shopping channel. And I shall put all of the links to the channel numbers below as well. So do not worry. So hello everybody, welcome. Okay, today I am wearing a headpiece that I have made. I've made some like little feathers just on the end here, and we've got these beautiful pearls just on a little bit of tiny bit of elastic. You know when you get shoes, and if you've been watching any of my other videos, I've been doing a bit of shopping recently and got some shoes and it had elastic in it, so this is what I've used. You can pop this on the back of your piece, and I'll probably do a little bit of a demo on this when I'm on the show, which actually I should tell you when it is. It will be the mid-show on Sunday the 24th of June 2018. Okay, so I'll put a link to everything down there. So this is what we have got here, our little festival headpiece. It's nicely positioned so it's not going to actually interfere with getting in your eyes or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you the rest of the kit. I also had a lovely strand of fluorite, and I've made a lovely little bracelet with that. So if I just show you that, we've got, come on, are you going to focus? If I put my whole hand in, is that going to focus to there? Focus. No. Anyway, so we've got ourselves a beautiful fluorite bracelet there, so you can wear it with your stack of bracelets, etc. And that is going to look stunning. I mean, that fluorite is just beautiful. Just wish. And we've got these lovely charms as well within the kit. So, and remember, I wasn't sure what the theme was at the time, so obviously it is festival because it's the JM Festival this week. And then we've got these beautiful earrings that I've made, and we've taken some of the feathers from the actual charms that we've got there. So I've used the earring findings as well that you get in the kit, and the feathers, and then a couple of those pearls. So if you wanted to, you could wear them either just one, and then you've got one on that side and that on the other. So that's what we've got there. I'm just trying to put it all away again. And then I've done some lovely little earrings like so, and they can just sit just inside the ear like that as well, and they've got the pearls just on them to go with the headdress. And then we have got, so we've got a pair of those, and then we've just literally got the bog standard charms that we have, and they are just like that. So if you wanted to even just wear one, you could wear one like that and then have one on the other side, so you could have sort of asymmetric style earrings, which I hear is all the rage these days. So that is the first kit. Now the second kit, I did wear this in a previous video, so if you want to have a look back, you can probably see it. But this is a wirework feather. This is natural turquoise, I'm assuming. I think it is natural turquoise, and it's absolutely stunning. And we've also got some clear quartz rounds just in there. We've got the chain that it comes in the findings kit, and then at the back, if you imagine you've got yourself a lovely low cut top on, and it sort of sits at the back there, you've got these two beautiful charms just dangling down the back there. So you've got that, and then we've got the rosary linking just on the sides there. So that is what I've done with that first part. And then, oh, excuse me, me. Getting old, I'm an old lady. Then, sort this out. I've just washed my hair, so it's all very soft at the minute. Then we've got these shoulder duster style earrings. So we've got a pair of those, and they are basically replicating what we have done within the necklace. So we have those. And then I've made a ring, just a nice ring there. I can pop that on for you. So we've now got a lovely ring with the turquoise and the clear quartz. Isn't that just stunning? I just love the way it catches the light there. And then just done some earrings that are like so as well with those. Pop those back in the bag like that. Then again, I've just done the same with the gold ones as I did with the silver ones. So we've got two of those, a pair of those, and then I've done a bit of a choker style necklace. So you would wear that around your neck. I'll just show you. So I haven't actually put a catch on, you just use it within the, like however tight you want it to be. There we go. So then you have it as a choker style necklace, and then you've got this lovely bit that can either sit down the front, or you could have it just dangling down the back if you really wanted to, and you could move the charm to the front. So that is that. So that's what I have done with the kits. I'm very much looking forward to seeing you all on the mid show on Sunday the 24th of June. I shall be having my festival makeup and hair and accessories all on, so yeah, it'd be good to see you there. So I hope you like what I have done with the kits and giving you some food for thought. And I would love to see your designs when you get the kits. If you could pop them over to me on my Facebook page, or you could pop a link below if you do videos or anything like that on the bottom, that would be great. And if you are not subscribed to me, then please do subscribe. It's free, and we all like something that's free. And also, if you would like to just click that bell just on the side there, it will notify you whenever I upload. And I upload a lot of videos about a lot of things. So please just click that bell and you will know when I have uploaded already. So that's it. I hope you have a great day and keep that festival vibe going throughout the summer. Have fun, everyone. Keep creating.